This is a dummy smartphone, and why do you wonder is it this thick? Is because it's got a 16,000 mAh battery in it. Yes, it's almost a power bank in itself. The Energizer P16 Pro, which is a smartphone, is going to launch in September, and it's going to cost around 499 euros. What you're seeing is a dummy of the smartphone. It will house dual cameras at the back, and it will have a 5.99-inch 18:9 FHD display with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. So since this is a dummy, we can't really show you much, but we can show you that there is a USB port at the bottom. There's dual cameras with a fingerprint sensor at the back. There is also a dual flash at the back, and there is a 3.5mm headphone jack over here. So that's what we can tell you about the phone for now. We will get more details as we go forward. Energizer will also be launching a bunch of phones in India, and you can get all the you can get all the details about all the Energizer phones that are slated to come to India on digit.in. So for now, this brick of a phone is a 16,000 mAh battery sporting smartphone, which will launch in September. So hopefully we'll see more of this phone when it finally launches in September worldwide. And this one is not coming to India for now, at least in 2018 is what we have heard.